Wrap is up, Brapsters. Cody with Two Wheels and a Tent, and today we're going to go over something a little different, a morning routine. And this one I learned from a professional motorcycle adventurer. So we're going to actually try and do it and see if we can emulate what Tim does. Thanks, Tim. I decided to do this video for a couple of reasons. Number one, when traveling with Tim, he's always ready before me, which traveling with anyone, they'll be ready before me. But I thought maybe I could help you out, show you his routine, and maybe it'll remind myself to get in the habit of doing this so that when I am traveling not alone, not holding everybody up as long. So the first thing is wake up and hang anything that needs to dry. So we're going to do that. Alright, the next step is to make some coffee. Enjoy some coffee while that dries, and then we'll go to step 3. Also, if you haven't seen this, it's a Keiko, and it's one of my favorite moto camping toys slash tools. Tim gave me the guidelines. I'm going to customize it because that's what I do. Usually it's because of my ADD. But we got a list, so hopefully there's a chance. And as always, make sure it's a sweet morning. A little sugar in the raw. Or a lot, depending on your preferences. And we're waking up. Oh, that's delicious. Delicious. Part of step 2 with your coffee is relax. So we're gonna relax, then we'll get into step 3. All right, step number 3. Pack up while making your next cup of coffee. After you pack up everything but your chair, you can enjoy your breakfast and coffee. And pack up your chair, hop on your bike, and head off to your new destination. I'd like to thank you for watching. Hopefully this helped you out. If you like videos like this, want to see more, or the adventures, the gear that we use, consider subscribing. Until next time, stay safe and come join the adventure, baby.